Hi everyone, Boursin Cheese has come out with a new flavor, roasted garlic with hot honey. I use prosciutto and puff pastry, perfect for entertaining game days or just as an everyday snack. Great with ranch or honey mustard or any kind of dipping sauce you like. Perfect for gatherings and entertaining. You want to see how to make this and want the recipe? Keep watching. Here's the ingredients for hot honey prosciutto twist. You're gonna need some puff pastry. I like this brand because it automatically comes square and it's not sectioned like another brand. I've got a package of prosciutto. Boursin just came out with a new hot honey Boursin and roasted garlic cheese. I'm gonna use a little bit of sharp cheddar. You need 1 egg. Welcome to my channel Quick, Fast, Easy Meals. You need a sheet pan layered with, covered with parchment paper or foil so it doesn't stick. And this comes together in about 15-20 minutes after you get them all set up. And they're perfect for game day, appetizers. I'm having them as a snack tonight, so I'm gonna get everything set up. Let's get cooking. Okay, I've got my puff pastry unrolled, and this is the Boursin Hot Honey Roasted Garlic, and I've got it at room temperature. And you wanna spread this all over the puff pastry. Oh, and you're gonna need a pizza cutter. I think I'm gonna just put it all on there and spread it out. An offset spatula would work nice, but I don't have one. For those that don't know me, welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer, Quick, Fast, Easy Meals. People who don't want to cook, don't like to cook, don't know how to cook. Try and keep them simple. And most of my meals are for one person, sometimes two. I'm married with no children. And my husband is super picky. He has the palate of a 3-year-old. Not to put him down or throw him under the bus, but he's not a big fan of many food items. My oven is preset to 350 degrees. Okay, now you want to take your prosciutto and carefully place it on the puff pastry. I'm taking the stray pieces and just putting them where the gaps are. This is perfect for entertaining. And you can use any kind of meat you like. I just happen to have this prosciutto left from the holidays and I wanted to use it. Okay, then you want to lift this up. And I didn't flour this, so let's hope this doesn't bite me in the tail. Definitely make sure you put some flour down. Okay. Got my brush. Coat these with a little more egg. Just make sure they get nice and brown and look pretty. My oven is at 350 degrees, as I stated. I think I forgot to mention that I had sharp cheddar. I had some leftover sharp cheddar that I want to use just to put it on top for some extra cheesiness. Okay, that looks good. And take a little bit of cheese, sprinkle on each one. And I would, I'm a fan of the bag cheese. Those of you who have seen my channel before, welcome back. You guys know I upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote, tell a controversial joke. I'm all about cutting corners, but for this, you really want to grate the cheese like you're making mac and cheese, because bag cheese has a coating on there. I believe it's cellulose. I could be mistaken, but there's a chemical on there that prevents it from sticking in the bag. And that will definitely affect how your cheese melts. Okay, got these all set. You can add some parsley if you like, but I'm gonna leave them plain because I want my husband to try them. I think parsley on there would be pretty. I'm gonna put these in the oven 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes until they're brown. Okay guys, there you have it. It took 25 minutes and I apologize. I did go ahead and add some parsley flakes to it because it looks better. And if you're gonna have these for a party, I would definitely cut them in half. I did do a half and then I should have halved them again. But I wanna thank you guys for watching and stay tuned. I have another video for you to show you what to do with the leftover puff pastry and prosciutto. Cheesy prosciutto garlic rolls. I didn't have any Texas toast to go with our spaghetti dinner, but I had these ingredients left in my refrigerator, so I wanted to use them. This is perfect for parties or as an appetizer, or like I said, it can go with your dinner. Only takes a few ingredients and 25 minutes in the oven. If you want to see how to make these, keep watching. Here's the ingredients for cheesy prosciutto garlic bread. Now that's puff pastry. I've had some crushed garlic. I've got some butter. I have some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of mozzarella so it'll be a little bit gooey. And I only had a couple pieces left of prosciutto and I wanted to use it, not waste it. And I have some non-stick cooking spray. I'm gonna put everything in the muffin pan and cook those in the oven. Welcome to my channel Quick, Fast, Easy Meals. I'm gonna saute that garlic because it's fresh garlic and I don't want the raw flavor. My husband's not a big garlic fan. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. Let's get cooking. Okay, I've got 3 tablespoons of butter here. I'm heating up because I don't want the garlic raw. My husband is not a garlic fan, so I have to cook it because I would have done it raw. And I'm just going to saute it just for a couple seconds just to get the raw taste off of it, and make some garlic toast, well, garlic muffins, I guess you call them, because I had a little bit of prosciutto left and I wanted to use it. And I made spaghetti for dinner hours ago and I'm just now making this. So I've got that nice and melted. I've cut the eye off just to get the raw flavor out. Okay, now I'm gonna move back over to the crust. Okay, I'm gonna unwrap my puff pastry that I let thaw in the refrigerator overnight. I normally don't buy this brand, but this time I did, so this is a new one for me. Usually get the kind, the Pepperidge Farm in the box. Scoop this up so you guys can see. I have my oven set at 375 degrees. I'm going to turn it this way since it's already, I got the pre-roll going here. You can see this on the edge. It's already kind of rolled up. So what I want to do here is, I've got a brush. I haven't decided quite how the best and the easiest way to do this. If I want to brush it or probably do this way. And I only have 2 pieces of prosciutto. If I had more, I would pile it on. So you might want to think about that if you want to do this recipe. You might want to make sure you have plenty of meat. So I'm going to start with the prosciutto, and it's falling apart. And And I'm going to put one piece here. And what's left of the other piece on the other side here. It's quite a bit more than I thought I had. Those that know me, welcome back. I'm so grateful you're watching my channel. Quick, fast, easy meals. Okay, and then to this, I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. So this is like garlic rolls. And I'm only adding the mozzarella because I wanted to have some gooiness to it. You can use whatever cheese you like. I would love to put some parsley on here, but this is basically for my husband, and he hates to see anything green in his food. So now you just want to take this and roll it. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 15 minutes just so it'll be easier to cut. Okay, I just took these out the freezer. I'm going to go ahead and slice them. Try and make them about 1 inch thick. I'm going to leave that last one a little bit thick. So now I'm going to take my muffin tin. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I think this holds 12. I'll just spray them all. Gotta wash the whole thing anyway. And then you wanna take these and drop one in each little cup. There we go. And that's all of them. Then I'm going to take what's left of the garlic butter. Just put a little on top of each one. Okay, I'm going to put these in the oven, 375 degrees. And these will probably cook for about 25 to 35 minutes. It depends on your oven. So I'll be back with you guys and show you how they turn out. Okay, I just took them out of the oven. And if you don't have a muffin pan, kind of brown on the bottom, nice to cook, they spread. You can use a baking sheet with parchment paper, and I used puff pastry, so they're really flaky, and they will spread on a parchment or foil. So I wanted to put them in those little muffin pans, so they would keep their shape. Taking these out so I can show you the final product. And these are perfect with for party appetizers. I know the holidays are coming up, and if you want to have something that you can put out, that you can serve these warm, they don't have to be hot, and they're really delicious. Let me move this out of the way. And this is how they look. And I'll pull, they're hot. Pull one apart for you if I can to show you. I'll take the spoon and show you. They're really flaky, and these are really good. I chose the the prosciutto, because that's what I had left, but you can use pancetta. Any kind of salami or any kind of meat that you have will work perfect for this. I want to thank you guys for watching, and please like, subscribe, and share. Let me know if you give this a try. These are cheesy, oh Lord. These are cheesy garlic rolls with prosciutto. So let me turn the camera around and tell you guys my joke. Silly Sal and Silly Sam were at a wedding. Sam leaned over to Sal and said, "How many wives can someone have?" Sal answered, 16. 16, said Sam. "Yes, Sal. Weren't you listening? For better, for worse, for richer, for poor." Wow, I thought that was interesting. I want to thank you guys for watching. I'm Jennifer, channel Quick, Fast, Easy Meals. This is so good. Now, if you serve these as an appetizer at a party, make sure you serve them with napkins because I use puff pastry and they are very flaky. I mean, when you bite into them, they just really, really flake. And you might want to have a dipping sauce on the side, maybe ranch or marinara if you like. I think they're perfect for a quick, fast, easy appetizer if you're having people over. I know the holidays are coming up, but you can change it up. I use prosciutto because I had that left. You can use pancetta, salami, bacon, probably even any type of meat you like. And as you see, I didn't have much meat, so it's just a little bit of meat in there, but you can pack it and take the meat all the way to the end before you roll it up. But anyway, thanks for watching. God bless you guys, and hope you have a good evening.